I can't put down my jacket, I'm freezing.
Seriously, it's not even that cold in here. Just take it off.
No way. I'm shivering. How can you not feel this cold?
Because it's not that cold, you're just being dramatic.
Dramatic. Just because you're not cold doesn't mean I'm not freezing.
Well, it's annoying. We're indoors. You look ridiculous wearing a jacket.
Why do you even care what I wear? It's my jacket and I'm cold.
Because we're supposed to be professional, it's distracting.
Distracting? What's really distracting is you making a big deal out of this.
I'm just saying, if you're uncomfortable, maybe there's something else going on. Are you getting sick?
No, I'm not sick. I'm just sensitive to cold, alright?
Fine, whatever. Just don't complain about being cold if you're not willing to do something about it.
Do something about it? Like what? I can't magically make it warmer in here.
Maybe talk to maintenance about the heating. Or wear something warmer under your jacket.
I'll think about it, but right now, I'm keeping my jacket on.
Fine. Just try not to complain so much, okay?
Have you seen John today? We need his input on the new design.
No, I haven't seen him all morning. I wonder where he is.
Yeah, he's usually here by now. Maybe he's stuck in traffic or something.
Possibly, I was just about to send him a message.
Speak of the devil, here he comes.
Hey John, we were just talking about you.
Really? What did I do this time?
We need your feedback on the new design for the project. Do you have a few minutes?
Sure thing. Let me just put my stuff down, and I'll join you.
Perfect timing, John. We've been stuck on a couple of points and could use your perspective.
All right, let's take a look. What seems to be the issue?
We're not sure if the layout is user-friendly enough. Can you give us your thoughts?
Absolutely. Let's go through it together and see what improvements we can make.
Thanks, John. Your input is always really helpful.
Yes, thank you so much, John.
No problem. I'm happy to help out.
Did you hear about what happened with John yesterday?
No, what happened?
He left just like that, without any warning.
You've got to be kidding me. He didn't say anything to anyone?
Not a word. 1 minute he was at his desk, and the next minute he was gone.
That's unbelievable. Was he upset about something?
I'm not sure. He didn't seem upset earlier in the day. It's really strange.
Did anyone try to contact him?
Yeah, a few people tried calling and texting him, but he hasn't responded.
This is so out of character for him. Do you think something happened?
I hope not. Maybe he just needed some time to himself. But it's worrying that he didn't tell anyone.
Absolutely. I think we should inform HR about this. They might have more information or be able to reach out to him.
Good idea. I'll send him an email right now. We need to make sure he's okay.
Definitely. Let's hope everything is all right and we hear from him soon.
Yeah, fingers crossed. I'll keep you updated if I hear anything.
Thanks. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help.
Why didn't you speak up in the meeting today? You seemed like you had something to say.
Oh, I don't know. I guess I just didn't feel like it was the right time.
Come on, cat got your tongue? You usually have plenty to say.
Yeah, I know. I just didn't want to stir up any controversy.
Sometimes it's important to share your thoughts, even if it's controversial. Your perspective matters.
You're right. I'll make sure to speak up next time.
Good, we need your input. You always have good ideas.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I'll try to be more vocal in future meetings.
Hey, do you know how to fix this software bug?
I got no clue. I've tried everything I can think of.
Really? Have you checked the error logs?
Yeah, but they don't make any sense to me.
What about the documentation? Sometimes there's useful information there.
I looked through it, but I still couldn't find a solution.
Maybe we should ask the development team for help.
That's a good idea. I'll send them an email right now.
Let me know what they say. We need to get this fixed as soon as possible.
Will do, thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Good luck. Guess what? I just won a trip to Hawaii.
Are you trying to fool me? That's amazing.
No joke, I entered a contest last month and they just called to tell me I won.
Wow, that's incredible. What's included in the prize?
It's a full package, flights, accommodation at a 5-star resort, and a few guided tours.
That sounds like a dream. When do you get to go?
They said I can choose any date within the next 6 months. I'm thinking of going in September.
Perfect timing. The weather will be great, and it's off-peak season.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Plus, it gives me some time to plan and get everything sorted.
Are you planning to go alone or with someone?
I'm allowed to bring one guest, so I'm going to invite my best friend.
That sounds perfect. I'm so happy for you. It's like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Thanks, I still can't believe it myself. I've never won anything this big before.
You deserve it. Just make sure to take lots of pictures and have the best time.
Definitely, I'll make sure to bring back lots of souvenirs too.
Did you see how John and Sarah left the party last night?
Yeah, they were walking out arm in arm. It was cute.
I didn't even know they were dating. When did that happen?
Apparently, they've been seeing each other for a few months now, but they kept it low-key.
That explains why they've been so friendly lately.
Definitely, they make a good couple, don't you think?
Yeah, they seem really happy together.
I'm happy for them. It's nice to see two people who genuinely care about each other.
Agreed. Hopefully, it works out for them. They deserve it.
Did you hear that John got into another argument with his neighbor?
Again, what happened this time?
Apparently, they were arguing over who should mow the lawn between their houses.
Seriously, he needs to act his age and stop getting into petty disputes like that.
I know, right? It's like he never grew out of middle school.
Exactly. I hope someone talks some sense into him soon.
Did you hear about Tom's new business idea?
No, what is it this time?
He wants to start a luxury dog clothing line.
You've got to be kidding me. Does he think there's a big market for that?
Apparently, he thinks he can make a fortune. He's even talking about custom designs and high-end fabrics.
Sounds like he's chasing rainbows again. Remember his last idea about gourmet popcorn?
Yeah, that didn't go anywhere. He invested so much money, and it never took off.
Exactly. I feel like he's always looking for the next big thing without really thinking it through.
It's true. I admire his ambition, but sometimes it's like he's more in love with the idea of success than the hard work it takes to get there.
I agree. If he put as much effort into solid, realistic plans as he does into chasing rainbows, he might actually succeed.
I hope he learns from his past mistakes. Otherwise, he'll just keep ending up disappointed.
Yeah, it's tough, but sometimes you have to face reality and stop dreaming about impossible goals.
Definitely. Maybe we should talk to him and try to give him some constructive advice.
That sounds like a good idea. He might not want to hear it, but it could save him a lot of trouble in the long run.
Did you see the email from the boss about the new dress code policy?
Yeah, I saw it. I don't give a crap about it, though.
Really? You're not worried about getting in trouble?
Nope. They can't expect us to suddenly change our entire wardrobe.
I guess, but what if they start enforcing it more strictly?
Then they'll have to deal with a lot of unhappy employees. It's not just me who thinks this is ridiculous.
True, there have been a lot of complaints already.
Exactly. I have more important things to focus on than worrying about what I'm wearing to work.
Fair point. I'm just going to stick with my usual attire and see what happens.
Same here. If they want to make a big deal out of it, that's their problem, not mine.
All right, let's see how this plays out. Hopefully, they'll realize it's not worth the hassle.
I hope so too. We have bigger issues to tackle than this dress code nonsense.
I just got back from the break room. You won't believe what I saw.
What happened?
Someone spilled coffee everywhere and didn't bother to clean it up.
What a mess. How could they just leave it like that?
I know, right? And it wasn't just a little spill. There were coffee stains all over the counter and floor.
That's so inconsiderate. Now someone else has to clean it up.
Exactly. I ended up wiping most of it because it was getting sticky and gross.
That's really kind of you. It's just frustrating when people don't take responsibility.
Totally. It makes the place look unprofessional, too.
Maybe we should put up a sign reminding people to clean up after themselves.
That's a good idea. We could also talk to the office manager about it.
Yeah, let's do that. Hopefully, it will encourage people to be more considerate.
I hope so. It's little things like this that make a big difference in our work environment.
Absolutely. Thanks for stepping up and dealing with it.
No problem. Let's make sure it doesn't happen again.
Please subscribe and see you soon.